Hey, so welcome back to another episode of Wilson's Apiary Adventures. So today I'm going to be following up on these two colonies that I had bought. These two guys. And this one I need to take out the inner feeder. And this one I'm going to just inspect just to see how they're doing. And that's what we're going to be doing today in this episode. So be sure to stick around and check it out. Alright, so this is the one that is not as big as the one that camera's standing on. This one had the internal feeder first. But I'm going to go ahead and open up today and see if I can just see how they've been doing inside. If I can try and find the queen, I'm going to mark her. That way I will find her next time. So let's go ahead and see what's happening inside here. I'm not going to smoke them today. I don't want to upset the apple cart too much. But I don't think they're going to be too happy with me digging today this morning. And I don't think they'll be that aggressive either. Let's see how it goes. This comb out nicely. They've drawn it beautifully. So there we can see they've really drawn this comb out nice. How about the other side? Let's have a look. Also, it's been drawing it out very well. I'm happy with this comb. Happy with this comb. Alright, let's get this one done. No draw out yet. Full sheet though, ready for them to start drawing out. But before I put this back, I'm actually going to have a look and see if I can spot the queen on these two frames. If I can find her, that will be amazing. That's the honey sheet. I'm just going to shift up a little bit just so that I can dig into the next frame. Didn't see the queen on that one. Maybe she could jump frame while I change the other side. Let's have a look and see. I do see cat brood, so that and a queen cell. That makes me worry. I'll have to inspect that. Alright, now we're going to check this box. This box is much bigger than the previous one. And yeah, I'm going to put these back inside and take the inner feeder out. And maybe we could find the queen on this one. Let's see how they react. Let's see the queen on there. So that brings us to the end of this episode of checking out those 2 colonies that I had bought. The first box that we opened, as you can see, not as developed as the second box. Didn't see a queen, but I did see cap brood, which is a good sign that the queen is still there, although they are making multiple queen cells. It's very interesting, although the box isn't even full, but they could be doing that just because of the season as well. And the second box that we opened, very full. The box is almost maxed out already. I put the 2 new frames. The 2 couldn't fit, only 1 could, and I'll sort that out later. But yeah, both of them are back in there. The internal feeder is out, ready for the new boxes that have arrived from catching swarms. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. So thanks for checking it out, and we'll see you guys on the next episode.